So, this is my intro for this now because I had did an intro for what I was about to tell y'all what I was doing, but then I ended up accidentally deleting the footage of me telling y'all what I was about to do. So, boom, to sum it all up, in this video, I had bought this little microwave and toaster oven stand thing for the kitchen type shit. It's been up for a month now, but yeah, I guess I could just show you this thing. Yeah, I'm heating up my pizza right now as we speak, but yeah, I was trying to, boom, I had to delete some again just now, that's why I stopped me, but boom. I was trying to clear some storage up on my SD card, and then I was just deleting, and boom, I ended up accidentally deleting the intro when I was explaining what I was about to build and do. But to sum it all up, I was out of motherfucking storage, and I had to speed up because I had to keep deleting shit right now as we speak, and yeah. So I built that thing, and yeah, that's the intro type shit. Yeah, ooh, that's good. That feels good now. Oh, the pain. So we gonna try to make that and then type shit. Yes sir, quit fucking lying water, nigga, man. Like I ain't the YouTube type shit. Fuck it, niggas talk about. I did a little retirement, but now it's time to come out of retirement. This is content on me. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. So fingers crossed. Shit. Done. I made a little errors at first. The screws wasn't fitting at first because I was putting the wrong screws, but we getting her done. Oh shit, my battery about to die. Well, I'm gonna have to show y'all what I'm doing. Tight shit. If y'all hear little noises because we getting the Wi-Fi put in this house. Same Wi-Fi we'll put in this house. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. This is how it turned out. Yes sir. So yeah, I'm gonna get another one for snacks. This one is for microwave, toaster oven, can opener, blender, oil, plastic bags type. Yeah, so I'm about to hook the microwave up that I just bought. It's the microwave I just bought yesterday. So I'm about to hook that up real quick, and yeah, first I'm about to put this in there. So it's right here. I'm gonna put another one right there. Over there we'll have the snacks. This one gonna have the microwave. Then we gonna have a deep freezer. Right there. Yeah, we on it. But after this, I think I'm about to submerge.
Let's submerge this ass.
So it's the next one. Don't mind me, I look a motherfucking mess. Just woke up. Whew. Wait, man, sir, y'all see that? Man, sir, day, what day is this in the house? Day 3. No, this is night 2 of us sleeping in the house. Yeah, but we've been in the house. Yeah, in and out, bringing shit. But yeah, I think I told y'all that we really are starting over from scratch. Like, we threw a lot of shit away. We ain't want no memories of that motherfucking house. We really starting over from scratch. The only thing we brought is like our clothes and shoes and shit. We didn't bring no furniture, we didn't bring no beds. That's why we have blow beds, or the beds that you pull out and roll out type sheet. But other than that, we are starting from the motherfucking ground type shit. Respectfully, fucking niggas talking about. But yeah, I got some of my shit in here. Some of my shoes. Yeah, some of my shoes is in the other YouTube room right here. Yep, y'all see my tripod and shit. Yeah. And then her room is right there. Bathroom. Oh yeah, this is my robe. Yes, that I wore on my 24th. So yeah. Let me go and sit my ass down. Oh my damn. This bitch deflated and shit. I gotta turn this bitch back on. What the freak here? If I can get up, shit. Oh shit. Hell to you. Plug that bitch back in. Cause hell no. How it is. Now that, okay, damn, now that bitch whore.
What did he say?
What the freak? I don't know why I brung. Damn, I look a mess. I don't even know why I brung this weak ass high school tradition book here, because one, I'm barely in that motherfucker. Two, I don't fuck with the motherfuckers like this.
Like, where's the money?
Three, this is the only thing that motherfucking matter, bitch. It don't matter, it got a little scuffle on it, but I can clean that shit. That ain't nothing. This is the only thing that matter, motherfucker. Is that high school diploma. I'm like, fuck this little yearbook. Barely in this bitch. Like, what the freak? And then it's like, I don't fuck with a whole but a lot of motherfuckers from my class anyway. The people that I fuck with, we still keep in touch, but the people that I don't, yeah, it just is what it is type shit. Like, you grow up and you realize motherfuckers is really fake as fuck and they word ain't bond type shit. So you have to cut ties to better yourself. So yeah, I don't know why I got that, but I'm gonna look through it and see if it's worth keeping. If not, it's probably gonna be in storage or in a closet somewhere on the top shelf with dust mites and spider webs and cobwebs and so I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna get right back with y'all and see how the rest of my day is gonna go. Whew, it's hot. I'm about to probably take this bag off, because, yeah. I'm about to go get my fan downstairs that she just bought me, because this ain't cutting it. That ain't cutting it. And it normally do when I was back in my little area back at the other house, but now it ain't cutting it. It's looking like I might have to get a better one of that. But yeah, it's real hot in here. I'm guessing this house don't got central air, but that ain't gonna stop. Probably just gonna have to get some air conditioners like the other house. Cause the other house that we was in didn't have it either, but every shit. But yeah. And we just went to go get some blinds. Cause right now, our shit is just see-through. I don't like that, I'm not going for none of that. But we about to put some blinds up. She got curtains in hers, but I wanted blinds. I think I might get both too. Real shit. But yeah. Get all the privacy you need. So I'm about to go get the fan. And yeah, oh, and then I think I need to go to Best Buy to get another SIM card for my GoPro, because talking about storage. Man, my hair look a mess. It was way better than this. It's because the motherfucking rain and the heat and the sweat and all that shit. But yeah. So I'm gonna get right back with y'all. I'm about to set this fan up real quick. I'll put my green screen over there so nobody can look at it on that side. This fan is staying down here, right?
Yeah, one down there.
Okay, cause it's hot, y'all. Whew. I don't know why you never showed me. Fuck all them instructions. Nobody need no motherfucking instructions. Give them a man. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. It's hard. Yeah. My only ones don't make me ask you what's right with me. They can call me crazy. One thing about me, that man always gotta be tight. If it ain't tight, it ain't right. Tell you things, they can call me crazy. You can go say, you can meet the sweet yeah. This home, this home. Get on there, give me. This home.
2,000 years later.
You know you love me, nothing at all. Who all give her this? Shit, now let's get no damn bad like shit. Silly shit. Shit. So ooh, that smell like fresh air. Yeah. I gave some. We can leave talking hard. Speak. Guns are control. Something takes all of me to take you. I want you to say. Yes, I got the fans. Hey, straight up. So what I'm about to probably do is start editing. Because I ain't been editing. I got so much videos to do. I ain't been editing. So yeah, I'm gonna get right back with y'all. I'm gonna pop my MacBook. Out. And yeah, I'm gonna get back with you. Okay, gang, so update. We finally got some blinds and some curtains up on the game. Yes, sir. One of my mom's friends / co-workers put them up respectfully. I got blinds in my room finally. Yes, sir. She got curtains in hers. She wanted curtains in her room. She got the blackout curtains, and then my YouTube room just need them now. And one of my YouTube rooms, this is one of my YouTube areas, just need their curtains, and then boom. The downstairs curtain is up. Oh, we got one right here too. A new one right here. It was one right here, but it was broke. And then we got one right there now. And now we need some a steamer and some light. You trying to turn it on? It ain't plugged in, D.
Oh.
Got another fan that we hooked up. I hooked up down there. Shit, it's hard to figure. Tell me things, they can call me crazy.
We need a steamer for the curtains. They go so
Well, these are the curtains.
They're gonna, when the couch comes, they're gonna go. I just love that. That you can have some light in.
Yeah, they gonna go good with the brown couch we
And the pretty,
about to come soon. But yeah, I got my green screen up there because y'all don't understand. That's my other YouTube area. That's gonna be for like when a lot of people come over and collab. It's gonna be hella gaming shares and that be it. But yeah, that got 10 fucking windows. 10. And I'm not over exaggerating. I'm dead serious.
I'm getting stressed. I never do it. If they $14 each.
10 windows. That was outrageous. Yeah, these need to be steamed for sure, because ain't no way. Here these. Whew. I'm sweating buckets. I'm gonna have to smurge again.
So glad Mary told us about this place.
Told us about what?
That place.
What
You
place?
thought that was expensive.
Oh, that place?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought they was at first.
No, Walmart was $13 for one. They was
$13 for one.
for one blind.
How much was that?
They was 14 for two. And they're the kind that you don't have to.
Respectfully, I like these blinds because you don't have to pull the string. You just pull up. Let me show them. We got the type of blinds that you just. That's how you do it, and then you just
Pull it down.
I never knew they made blinds like that until we was in the bathroom and we lifted it up and then we was like, what the f. I like that though.
I love these bigger ones. I wish
The big ones is though.
I wish they had the bigger ones in your room size.
Mm-hmm.
Because you can have a lot of light come through.
Together we can. I need to
He did your
splurge
room,
again.
He did the living room. He did the side things.
I
Only got
may
3
be
more of them,
young, but
and then I gotta get 10 more blinds. I'm gonna get the 10 more blinds.
So in love, yeah, give it a This where I built the little table thing.
You gonna be able to get to your room today.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Got the toaster oven, the microwave, my blender, all that. I'm gonna get another. I said I was gonna get another one like that, but I think I'm gonna get one that's like a basket form, that's for snacks and snacks only. Cause one thing about it, 2 things for sure, we gonna be locked and loaded on the snacks. You hear me? Hold your Hold your
There's 3 panels on there. We can move it to where it's more. That don't cost.
You know what you can do.
What?
Sew it together. Understand? That'll be good. Yeah, you can. Quit lying. You hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. Quit lying.
You hungry?
No, ma'am.
Yes, you are. Quit lying. When you bring that baby, oh, she be starving, so I know you must be too. Here, eat that.
You bring that baby over, she be starving, so I know you must be too. Together we can. Oh man, so no matter when I'm all glistening and shit, I had to smooth this. I'm just playing. Did but no, I had took a shower and got her all earled up tight. But yeah, it's hotter than a whore in church up in here. Like this bitch ain't got no central air, and that is a problem. So with that being said, we probably gonna have to get air conditioner like we did in the other house. But hey, You gotta do what you gotta do, cause there's no way in hell. There's no way in hell I'm gonna be inviting friends over and we gonna be lit and vibing out, doing collabs and this and that, and we hot as fuck. Hell no. No, son. Fuck all that. Hell do you? But it's hot as fuck. Man, look at me. I got 2 fucking fans. And it's still hot as hell. It's still hot as hell. So, with that being said, oh shit. I'm probably about to put a shirt on because it's gonna get all earled up on there. If not, but hey, I'm really early. I'm earled up. I'm still, yeah, I think I'm about to try to set this up. I ain't gonna think it's hot in here, but I don't give a fuck. I want to vibe in this bitch. Fuck it, niggas talking about. Let's set that up. Straight up. But then this bitch vibed out, Space Jam in this bitch. Fuck it, niggas talking about, folks. I'm gonna get right back with y'all when I do that. Fuck it, niggas talking. What happened? Alright, I'm just gonna This is hard. I fucks with this. Hold on, I know I can change the colors on this bit. This bit lean. Yes, sir, ski. Yeah, wait till I get some LED lights in my LED bed frame and shit and all that good shit. But yeah, they be lean. Hold on now. This whole hard. This whole hard. I'm gonna change the color. This is hard though. Drive me crazy. Hold on. It does it with music. Drive me crazy. Hey. Oh, that's hard as fuck. You can do it with music, man. That's lit. Yeah. Oh. Come in my room real quick.
Yeah.
Just come.
You see something? What is it?
Come.
What is it?
Come. Are you scared?
Yes.
Why are you scared?
What is it?
Just come and look real quick. Don't be scared.
Listen, be no spider, no bug or nothing.
Why? Because everybody know you kill all the spiders.
If it's a bug, I'm gonna knock your teeth out.
You will get the knocking because it ain't a freaking buzz. What your scared self. Come on in this room and quit being scared. Straight there. Come on. You got to put your house shoes on. Come on in this room. Say something. It can go with music or like talking, like say something.
That's the.
This is lit. This is hard. I know, right? This is hard.
Are you filming me?
I'm filming me. What were you doing? Sing.
I love it.
Louder.
I love it. Love it.
Let me put your favorite cup. Ooh, that's nice.
Purple?
They got all green.
Oh, green?
Such a beautiful face. The kind you find Yeah, this is dope. That's what I wanted to show you. Alright, gang, so I'ma just, I guess this might be me closing out this little vlog. So gang, I'ma chat for y'all later. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell, cause you already know what it is. DFGang, we about to maintain, we switching lanes. Fuck niggas better stay in their lane. Yeah! Fuck it, they get stole my weapon. Alright, hop on. Fuck it, they get stole my yo. Gang. Make sure y'all tap in to my other upload. Find it funny how I was at a certain amount of subscribers when I just looked, and then it said that one just dropped down. So whoever just unsubscribed, fuck you, bitch. You wasn't a real genuine supporter, no way. All your bitch ass give a fuck about is reality television reactions and fights and all that anyway. Get the fuck out of here. He wasn't real from jump, so I don't give a fuck. Type shit. But the ones that stayed down till the nigga was up, respectfully, I love y'all, respectfully. True real DFGang. But the one that just decided to exit stage, let's fuck you. When one goes, hella more comes. Hope you get that to your fucking head. Type shit. And don't bring your fake ass back. Do not bring your fake ass back to whoever just unsubscribed, cause my upload wasn't baddie related or fucking now that's TV or fucking fights. Get the fuck up out of here with that goof ass shit, man. The fuck out of here, nigga. If you can't support my other shit, what makes you think I'm gonna come through for you? Fuck out of here, nigga.